Refreshing Coffee Mint Frappe recipe, how to make a delicious iced coffee drink. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make something perfect for those warm days or when you need a little pick-me-up. We're making a refreshing Coffee Mint Frappe. It's creamy, it's minty, and it's absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Ingredients. 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, cooled. 1 cup of milk, you can use any type of milk you prefer. 2 tablespoons of sugar, adjust according to your taste. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A handful of fresh mint leaves. 2 cups of ice cubes. Whipped cream, optional, for topping. Chocolate syrup, optional, for drizzling. Fresh mint leaves, optional, for garnish. Instructions. First, we're going to brew some strong coffee and let it cool. Once it's cooled down, we'll add it to our blender. Next, we'll add in our milk, sugar, vanilla extract, fresh mint leaves, and ice cubes. Now, let's blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy. Look at that beautiful texture. Now, let's pour our Coffee Mint Frappe into a glass. If you want to get fancy, you can top it off with some whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, and a fresh mint leaf. And there you have it. A delicious Coffee Mint Frappe ready to be enjoyed. Perfect for any time of the day. So good. If you give this recipe a try, let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.